Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson, and today I'm helping my friend Andy sing the Backyardigans Hula Pele by Uniqua and Tasha from The Legend of the Volcano Sisters in audio version, just like my friend Andy record where they don't say mean things. Let's sing, shall we sing?
Let's sing!
Huka, Pele,
And coming soon, the ground
about
is
shaking
shaking,
and
and
the
that spells doom.
dust, there's a fool in the Pele, and Huka, Pele.
You bring
Little
your gifts to the
sister,
volcano. You say you like it, and we say no. You think we're kidding, but it's no joke. Get ready for a lava and a bunch of smoke. The ground is rolling and the steam is rising. No one knows sisters, it's not surprising. You bring your gifts to me, and what all they say is we are bad. Hookah belly, hookah belly, origin is coming, coming soon. It's so bad,
it's
we're
so
coming.
good. It's so
Hookah belly, hookah
good.
hard and fast for the interruption. What is time for a big eruption? We're so sorry, but you had your chance. It's time to call off after life and retire on and bring your grandkids, leave your kids all overswept. We're not much more than one trip home, and now it looks like we are toast. Hookah belly, ooh, eruption is coming, coming soon. We got no time and we're running out of room. Thanks for listening. I watched the Backyardigans, The Legend of the Volcano Sisters episode, just like Yo Gabba Gabba don't say mean things from differences and art.
You're right, and it's just like you don't say me things from difference and art. Subscribe, viewers.